So to the dishwater, I put some of this Dawn foaming soap, and then I don't know, I'm just gonna add like this much of pine sol in there, wash it out, wipe it out, and then rinse it with water. I'm gonna wash it with this, then rinse it out with water, and then put the food back in there. This is just like a little bit added more bacteria cleaning, just to make sure everything is like fresh and stuff like this. And okay, I'm that much because I don't know, but I just want to, that's my refrigerator, but I just want to make sure that everything is clean. That water is hot. The water that comes out of my sink, like boiling hot. But I'm just gonna do this to keep, I gotta add some cold water since it's freaking hot. Okay, so I added just enough cold water in this tub, so like it's still hot, but I could touch it with my hand, because before that was like boiling hot water coming off the stove. But yeah, basically I'm gonna wipe it down, and then wipe it down. I'm gonna use the Dawn dish soap and the pine sol, and then I'm going to then wipe it out with water, because I'm using the pine sol in there. Just wipe it out with water before I put the food back in there. Dry it off, you know, all the other stuff. I'm not gonna do a super deep clean, but it's gonna be a pretty, like a good enough deep clean that, you know, like the deep clean is like when you take everything out. I'm not gonna take everything out because I really don't feel like doing that right now, but coming soon. But I'm going to do this, wipe that out. I'm gonna do a little montage for y'all. So yeah. Okay, so I'm done cleaning out the refrigerator. It doesn't really look that much different because I probably could have, I need to go back through and check those dates. But it doesn't really look that different because it really wasn't that much in the refrigerator. So now I am going to fill the refrigerator up with this. Like, I like to keep drinks in this part of the refrigerator, so that's what I'm gonna do. I literally broke a sweat cleaning out the refrigerator. So that's what I'm gonna do, show y'all guys a little montage. this is what the refrigerator looks like. I did the rest of the body armors, water, Coke, all this other stuff. I'm gonna go through those yogurts because I don't think all those are good. I ended up moving the milk and that up here because I wanted that to be filled. I'll probably get like a couple more cartons of juice and then like lay them flat or either move those. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out tomorrow. And that's just the rest of everything in the refrigerator. Okay, so that is what the refrigerator looks like. I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow, so my refrigerator is not gonna look that bare. You know. So I'm going grocery shopping tomorrow. I just like to like deep clean everything before I go grocery shopping, know what I have, know what I don't have. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and then of course I'll show you guys how I organize this stuff and you know whatever else. And I don't know, I'm trying to see what I like, what I don't like, as far as organizational wise, like if I want to keep it like that, or I don't know, I'm trying to maximize my space in the refrigerator. So yeah, and then also you hear the dishwasher in the back. And also clean the kitchen, of course, because you can't clean the refrigerator and not clean the kitchen. So that's what I did. That's the end of tonight. I'll pick y'all back up in the morning. See ya. Okay, y'all, so we're back from the grocery store. All of this food, this bag's about to fall. So yeah, we got everything from the store. I even got stuff on the floor. Also went to Target to buy cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So basically I'm just about to show you guys, not show you guys, kind of like in a montage. I'm not gonna go through everything and show you guys what I got, and then and then show y'all the before, after, and yeah. And we also got this big, huge old thing. It's like 2 tiers of eggs. This was like $14.99 at Kroger's. This is how the cabinets look right now. Okay, so this is the stock of the cabinet. I had bought oatmeal, but I just added into that already pack I had. Gushers and stuff. And the oatmeal pies, this box is freaking huge. I didn't even know they made like a big pack. And then I need to get a different box, like a nicer one, but this one has like snacks and stuff in it too. Just trying to keep down the box waste. And then I just put the chips up there. This is the freezer. Everything is stocked. I got fish sticks, 2 of these pizza rolls, garlic bread. That stuff was already in there. Ground beef, turkey. I bought a few of pizza rolls, and then all my Outshine bars. I literally have like every flavor you could think about. And then it's like other stuff back there. And then this is the refrigerator, mostly just like cold stuff. I bought plums back there, my veggie drawer, restocked the waters, cookies. I can't go to the store without buying anything sweet. I bought, like, we are a cheese type of family, so this is packed with cheese. Hot dogs, breakfast sausages. I don't think those are breakfast sausages, like the name of them, but I like to eat those type of sausages for breakfast, so I got a lot of those because we go through at least a pack a week. And that, and then all of our... Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I'm about to make dinner and go to bed, and yeah, that's it. See you guys next time.